Todd with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today I'm standing on the Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. If you're looking for a good runabout boat in this class and this size, I'm going to tell you a few of the reasons why you should pick this Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. First of all, most boat manufacturers, their model numbers are based on the length to the back of the platform, and most of the 19-foot boats on the market are 18.6 or 18'8" to the back of the platform, where the Sea Ray is 19'6" to the back of the platform. Most brands would call that a 20-foot boat, not a 19. Also, this boat is wider by at least 6 inches than anything else in the class, so you get more interior space. It's also got this great walkthrough. All the competitors, you have to flip-flop seats or step on upholstery and move stuff to get in and out of the boat. And you don't want to step on your upholstery every time you get in and out of the boat because it won't last very long. So lower maintenance in the long haul and more convenient. Also, this boat has the most versatile seating in its class. This seat, in this format, the boat's rated for 10 people, you've got seating for 10. Now, you've got a forward-facing companion seat. And with the backrest removed, you've got a rear-facing lounge seat. So this 19-foot Sea Ray is wider and longer than other brands' 19s and some of them's 20s. You get more interior space than the competitor's 20-foot boat in the same price range as the other 19 and 20-foot boats. Come on down to MarineMax, see this 19 SPX for yourself, and make it your new boat.